Hello everyone, it's your boy NK. Welcome back to this channel, your one-stop channel. Of course, if you know me too well, I'm the husband of your host MK. So today we're going to be doing a vlog concerning the preparations for the 26th December in Maldives, the Unity Day in Maldives, a day that is used to commemorate the event that took place here in 2004, the tsunami event. So the president of Maldives will be coming to celebrate this event with them here. And right about now, we're going to be showing you the changes that has occurred in the island, particularly this park that shall be used for that event. So also this video will cover the event of the president coming to the Maldives and also what will be happening here. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, you're welcome back to this channel. This is the park that is newly constructed in the island of Kolhufushi. It's built at the entrance of the island. A very wonderful construction ongoing here. One thing I want you to know is that this park, from the time of its inception till now, is 2 months, barely 2 months. Started in the middle of October, and right now we are in. This is the 23rd day of the month of December. This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. In less than 2 months, this is structures they have put in place. Oh well. Today is the 25th day of the month of December. 25th. Merry Christmas, guys, in arrears if you're watching this video today. So 25th day. So in less than 2 days, this is what they came up with. Can you believe that? Can you believe this is 1 day to the event? Proper 25th day of the month of December. This is the national flag. It's really marvelous over here. Trust me, it's really marvelous seeing what they have been able to do in 2 days, because they even worked morning, night. Everybody's hands were on deck. It wasn't even a paid job. A lot of people did it out of free will. The painting, the flowers, everything here is just unbelievable. That right there is the monument for the tsunami remembrance. It will be unveiled tomorrow, the 26th day of the month of December. This is wow. This is wow. This is so wow. So this is the jetty where the president will be received. I think that's the tent where he will have his lunch. Wow. Everybody working. Everybody is working. So this is now the entrance of the island. So in the night, this will be giving some kind of lightings. Flag over here. There will be some lighting on this island, what do they call this? I don't know, but there will be lighting here. So main Kolhufushi, that's our island. Hello, sir. School that will be also commissioned by the president. The kind of work these guys had to do to just put up the structure. You know, I came here in May and this is December. This can never happen in my country, in a public, except the leaders are going to be held responsible. But then in May the building was like carcass. This was carcass. You know. So these are just the pictures of what happened in the tsunami. We'll try and get the clearer ones from the council, you know, such as pictorial stories of what happened in the tsunami. You know, after the tsunami, they lived in tent, and then they moved to some permanent, temporary kind of residence, you know, living in not so residential home for 11 years. You know, know, so this is just literal proof of what the tsunami did to them. Trust me, there's a whole lot of history here. Whole lot of history. So I think we're gonna make a video of maybe interview someone who was actually present to discuss the whole event of this. So this is the council. In Nigeria we call it secretariat, yes. This is like the Coastal Guard ship waiting for the president to come tomorrow. Yep. This is massive, yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Oh, thank you. The Coastal Guard ship, I already tell them. They asked me this question. So this is the morning of the event, the 26th day of the month of December. All official boats are here, the police, the customs service. Let me take you guys and show you guys the official police. You know, in Nigeria we have police vans and stuff like that. But here, the entourage is with boats. Are coming from all around the islands to come, especially if you're from this island. Today means a lot for them because this is the first time a lot of them will be seeing a president in their island. In their island, this is the first time. That is the council president. Hey sir, I am making a video of today. So this is the council president, guys. Say hello to the council president. My wife is a YouTuber, so I'm making a video to put on a YouTube. How do you feel about today?
This is a very nice president today coming. He also very hardworking today.
Okay. So what do you look forward to today? What are your expectations?
Expectations very high. That's actually this government is doing very good work here.
Yeah.
Because they are doing very development.
And you are doing a very good work.
Yeah.
See, this is you. Yeah. Congratulations once again, sir. Thank you very much. Next up is the monument that was erected to celebrate this year's tsunami event. If you see, it has 16 balls, which represent the 16 lives that were lost in this island. Remarkable. 16 lives.
لنهديك صراطا مستقيما وينصرك الله نصرا عزيزا صدق الله العظيم.
So I think he wants to have a press conference. He's just taking hotels with stuff on the island. This is so nice. That's what's going on. About an hour now. 30 minutes, sorry. So they're leaving.